What's your thoughts, Chris?
Oh, it's ergonomically laid out very, very. It is literally all within reach. From driver's point of view, I'm saying there's a massive blind spot down front left, whereas with the next gen Scania, right, yes, and the Scania Man, the next gen, the dash drops down, so you can see more what's going on down there. So I'm thinking, like, you've got a blind spot mirror, but you're losing a massive area.
Yeah. Jesus. Do we get that out?
Storage wise,
I'd say
it's not as big. That one's big. That one's massive. But
would you think for a microwave possibly or something like that?
yeah, that one's got to be your microwave. From obviously a tramper's point of view, space is everything.
Absolutely.
That storage space. That's just losing. Even if they put it as like a shelf, just to put like bits and bobs.
Yeah, that would do it, wouldn't it?
But other than that,
Comfort,
yes, seats comfy.
isn't it? Even the passenger seat.
Yeah, I actually.
It's almost like a driver's seat.
I'm not going to lie, I would quite happily swap the seat for my Scania.
The passenger seat, you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And alright, yeah. Needs armrests, but probably an optional extra.
Right. Into the fuse box, is it?
Yeah. We'll put that back. I broke your truck already!
I'll tell you what, I love the dash. I absolutely love it. Oh, that's good.
It's good. I mean, you've got your gaps on the edges, which, yeah, a bit annoying, but it's one.
Yeah, you're not stretching over.
Yeah, you're not. Alright, I mean, with the next gen Scanias, like I say, obviously because that's what I predominantly drive, it's easy because the grip's here in the centre so you can reach it, but that, I like that.
Yeah.
That it's one big feature.
And what make is this, XF?
Yes.
Simple things like that.
Yeah.
You know, that's great for the laptop and things.
Yeah. Is this like yours, Scott?
I don't have this mattress. That's a better mattress than mine. Bloody hell, look at this trim.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, I got the basic trim.
Go on, introduce yourself, Scott.
Hello, I'm Scott.
That is a lovely bit of motor.
Is this the same as yours, though, the XF?
Yeah.
Is it?
Had to be done.
Yeah, it did.
Okay.
This has got a new steering wheel.
What's your legs?
There's a fridge underneath me.
Is it?
Is it a fridge?
It is. Decent size on it.
Good size.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
That was built in the factory that you just come out of. This was built in 2006, so it's the very last one, and they gave it us.
All right.
So this has done 8 miles
From there to here.
from there to here and round the test track and back. So it's done 8 miles. We've been offered 116,000 for it.
Wow. Look at this one. That'll be noisy, I bet.
Probably the first commercial vehicle that was built in, powered commercial vehicle built in Britain.
Really,
with, steam. And believe it or not, that's the actual steam engine. You see all this paraphernalia is just the boiler and condenser.
Okay.
But that's the actual steam engine,
That's
which
hot.
is a marine engine.
Oh, is it?
So it's a joint venture between a firm in Dartmouth and Thornycroft, and they developed this, and then obviously it's successful and they started building them.
Wow.
But like, 1896, it's mind-boggling really, you know.
It's insane, isn't it? They
Yeah.
had it then, didn't it?
Yeah, this is very interesting. That's all service in the Blitz in London. That particular vehicle, so
That one did it?
that could, yeah, it's barking quite a long.
Lots barking, yeah.
So that could tell a few stories, couldn't
Oh,
it?
I bet it could, eh? And the crew. Is there a picture of the crew or not? No.
Beg your pardon?
I thought they might have had a shot with the crew.
No, but there's a photo there of the extended ladder.
Aye.
Showing how high that
Size
would be.
of it.
Yeah, there's a winch on the back which drags the ladder up and then extends it, you know, with cables.
That's
And
crazy.
what have you, you know. It's a mighty beast.
You can just picture it, couldn't you?
The quality
From
of the
it down.
build is, you know, incredible. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so that was that 1938, so that's like less than 40 years from that to that, you know.
How fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's frightening
Yeah.
from that to now.
And the build quality's, you know, just incredible. And everything's just like perfect, you know.
Yeah.
So no compromise
Yeah.
on
No,
quality
exactly.
at all.
It's all done by hand.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
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 Absolutely gorgeous.
This one's almost unique. This bus behind, that was commissioned and brought by Edward V.
The green one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Edward
was
V,
it?
As a runabout for his shooting parties. Yeah.
Never.
Yeah. This is 94 years old. This is one we use regularly.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, that's
Get
why
out.
it's parked where it is, so we can take
So
it
you
out
can get out.
when we have events, you know. Well, that was sold to the King, and then it was converted to a coach. We took, you know, put those windows in. It did have double doors on the back, so we got rid of them and put a seat across the back. The only concession to modernity is he's got an electric starter motor fitted, and obviously the lights have changed.
Yeah.
There's a lever inside. You see this linkage?
Mm-hmm.
You've got a lever inside. When you pull the lever, the headlights dip.
Thinking, heck.
You know, so
That's mad.
and that cost about 20% of the cost of the chassis.
No way, did it? To have that fitted?
System, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So this still runs, eh?
Yeah, it'll be out and about next summer. Well, this summer coming, yeah. It'll be leaving us in about 3 weeks.
Will it?
Yeah.
But then back after
It'll
the
come
summer.
back after the summer, yeah. We've got something else lined up to replace it. Yeah.
There's some coal in here if you want it. It is, isn't it?
Get some footage while you're up there, mate.
Yeah, yeah.
Still recording for you. Do some edits.
Wouldn't know where to start.
Well, normally if I get my fire going.
Stoke it up.
It's like disrespectful.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't go truck racing.
Well, no.
Anything
So when he was visiting over here, this is what he was in.
This his last.
It's the Pope Mobile.
Last use of it was in Cardiff, and it came from Cardiff to here, and that's it.
Right.
You know, so that was
Wow.
1982.
Well, yeah. My sister went out to see him.
Yeah. So it's a tipper chassis. Yes. You can have a look in the back.
Can we get in, can we?
You out the back.
Really? Get in the back.
Yeah, and the Pope.
You can sit on the actual seat.
Really?
Yeah. If you want to be really touristy, you can stand up and wave.
Oh, yes. Can it be too cheesy?
When we have beer festivals, these are the favourite. These are the best seats in the house. Yeah.
So-
You can imagine being in a nice, comfortable chair like this at a time. You know.
Wow, so
That was
he's...
the chair that he had to sit on. Yeah.
So go on then.
Well, no, because he's standing up most of the time.
Yes, he's waving, yeah, he's
It's
just...
every now and again he'd take the weight.
You'd have a little rest.
I was going to say, because I can't imagine it being like... No, it won't be very comfy for that long.
Give us a wave, Chris. Hello, subject.
Get yourself in trouble, mate.
Trouble. Trouble.